Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening FL Studio and loading a clean project. Set tempo to around 75 BPM so the groove breathes. Next, pull in a warm electric piano or Rhodes VSD and a Lofi drum loop, then route them to separate mixer tracks so you can process each. Use a low-pass filter and slight pitch detune on the piano to taste. Once done, arm the mixer for effects and save a new version, making sure to organize channels for quick iteration. You now focus on the middle. Chop and quantize the drum loop, then add 1/16 swing and light saturation to make it gritty. Program a simple 4-bar chord progression using 7th or add 9 voicings, and strum or humanize velocities so chords breathe. Layer a sub-bass under the piano and sidechain it to the kick with a soft curve, ensuring low end stays clear. Make sure to add a faint vinyl crackle and tape compression bus. These textures glue elements together and sell the Lofi vibe. You finish by sending tracks to a master bus with tape emulation and gentle EQ. Aim for about -6 dB headroom before limiting. Automate a low-pass filter sweep and increase reverb on transitions to create movement, and use parallel compression for punch without killing dynamics. Once done, export at 24-bit 44. 1 kHz. If the mix sounds muddy, high-pass non-bass tracks around 120 Hz and check phase on layered samples. This usually fixes cloudiness and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.